Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to talk to you a little bit. Is that okay? Alright, so I have some notes as usual, and we're going to be talking about dreams. Yes, your dreams. Dreams. Wow. You say to yourself, okay, so what is a dream? Usually when people hear the word dream, they think about they were asleep and some vision came to them during their sleep, and that's the dream, okay? Well, yes, we do have dreams when we go to sleep, and sometimes we remember them and sometimes we don't. And I remember my mother, she used to could dream something, and whatever she dreamt came to pass just like she told us. So some people have that ability. Other people, like myself, I dream, but as soon as I remember it like momentarily when I wake up, but it goes away pretty quickly. So if I don't write it down, I don't really remember my dreams, and so that I can't use that as a guide, because a dream really is a guide. It's telling you something. You know, you could have a dream from loved ones who passed, or you could have dreams about things you want to do, your kids, your family, your dogs, you know, your pets. You know, dreams come to you as a vision, okay? So the dreams I'm going to talk to you today is the dreams that play in your head, okay? Lots of dreams play in your head while you're awake, okay? Let's talk about them. Okay, what's a dream? It's a vision that comes to you when you're asleep or awake, okay? A vision. You say, what is a vision? A vision is, I want to say a vision is a story, a message, something that you can foresee, something that you can relate to, something that gets your attention, a vision, okay? A dream also is your imagination. You know how you say, I wish I can go to London one day, right? That's a wish, and it could be a dream, because you might say that to yourself many times, and you can kind of put yourself in the position mentally that you're in London, or that you did it, or that you're gonna do it, you know, and then one day maybe you'll make that dream come true, because it's up to you to make that dream happen, right? Okay, let's go on. So the dream is your inner mind talking to you. Your inner mind talking to you. And I want to focus in on the part of the dream about your career or changes or moves you want to make, okay? Or even maybe furniture you want to buy, or let's see, or some dream that you have for your kids, okay? That's what I want to focus in on. Okay, your hopes. What happened to your hopes? You know, you used to dream about doing things, and maybe you actually went out and did them, right? You made those hopes come to reality. Well, what happened that you stopped performing your dreams? You stopped keeping the hope alive. You stopped trying to achieve your dreams and goals, okay? Okay, so maybe when you was growing up, you was called dumb and stupid and a lot of negative names. And so every time you think about moving forward with your dreams, you think about all of that negativity, and that kind of holds you back. Okay, well, I'm sorry that happened to you, and let me be the first to apologize for whoever mistreated you in that way. But you are now grown and responsible for yourself. And you are responsible for moving you forward. So pick up those dreams, okay, and make them happy, because that's what's going to make you happy. And the reason why it's going to make you happy is because you want the dream to come true, okay? So do it. Please do it. If you want to go back to school, if you want to see your kids go to college, and maybe they'll need some financial help, whatever it is, make it happen. Make it happen. Okay. Your future goals. What are those? Is your goal to get another job? Is your goal to move up in the world? Are you satisfied with staying down here? Do you want to go higher? When I say higher, I mean physically, mentally, financially. Is that something that you would like to do? Well, if it is, please make that happen. Start with the plans today and move forward towards those goals. And if you have a big goal and then you have a little goal, I would start with the little goal first, okay? And expand on the little goal. And then once you get the satisfaction from achieving the little goal, then you could go on to the next big goal, okay? But you are the only one that's stopping you. You can make it happen. I don't care if you got to walk there. I don't care if you got to take the bus there, the train there, catch a ride, drive a plane, whatever you have to do. You have to make that happen, okay? And don't leave this earth being unsatisfied with you not fulfilling your dreams. Please. And if you feel that you can achieve it, you can. If you feel that you have the ability to do it, you can. And if you feel that you can learn how to do it to fulfill your dreams, by all means, do it. Please, okay? Follow your dreams. That's the video of today. That's the word of today. Follow your dreams, okay? Because, you know, when we dream, right, we have others that are looking at us, taking lessons. And, you know, somebody may look at you and say, wow, she did it. Why can't I do it? Or she did this and she did that and she was a single mom. Or he may say he had to pay child support, but he still achieved his highest goals, okay? That's what it's all about. Because if you don't achieve them, then you have left yourself unfulfilled. And you do not want to feel that unfulfillment. You want to make it happen. And I know you can make it happen, okay? Please, by all means, make it happen. Dream big, dream small, fulfill the dream. Okay? Okay, that's the word that I wanted to give you today. And I would like for you to comment to me and tell me some of your dreams so that we can talk about this in a later setting. You know, tell me what are your goals. And if I can help you in any way to give you some ideas and some help and some advice, I'm here for you to do that, okay? It's not impossible. Nothing is impossible. You have the ability to make it happen. So please, make it happen. Okay, check out the links below. I have a GoFundMe and a Patreon on there. It's to financially support this channel. It takes a lot to bring it to the table. And I'm asking for your support in that area if you can. Also, I would like for you to share the videos, okay? Especially videos like this one, Follow Your Dreams, because everybody needs to hear this, and some of us have lost our dream along the way, and we need to pick it back up and follow our dreams, okay? Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and give it a thumbs up, right? These things don't cost you anything. To subscribe costs you nothing. The thumbs up costs you nothing. If you like what the content and what I'm putting out over here, then my dream is to make this channel grow, grow, grow. So if you could help me with my dream, I'm going to help you with your dream. And we're going to dream together. How about that, huh? Okay, so this is part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. And I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.